Okay, we're going to put this door handle back in. So what you need to do is you need to put this bit in here first into this green thing. So that is basically when you push that open, that actually unlocks the door. So it is a bit tricky, but what you really basically have to do is get the whole handle in first, which is fucking hard. So you've got to do that and fucking jiggle it, and watch for those bolts because they will scratch. Okay, that's in that side. Then you come in through this side. Come here, Nick.
Hang on.
And you come in here through this side. Now, get this fucking. It's a bit easier with two people, so. Is that stuck on something? Oh, I think I've got it almost. Yep, that's it. Awesome. Now, once that green thing's in, you take it out. You take it out. And don't push it out because it will come out on its own. So you got to really get the left side out first. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, it will help if you sometimes do that. And there you go. Now it should click in like that. That's all good. Now that's the first bit. So that's in. Now take this bit off more. And we need this and these two screws. But don't worry, because if this screw falls in there, you can just take off this bit from underneath and you can just put your hand in there. Which happened to me on that door. Okay, so now it goes in like this. I'm pretty sure it goes in like that. And this door is a bit oh yeah, easier door. Yeah, oh, that was easy. Then screw. Oh, that was close. They're 10mm screws, so here we go. Socket. This is easier than all the other doors. Now, for this one I usually use a socket, but there's no extender. I don't think it will. Oh, maybe. Got this screw in. Wow, this is the easiest door so far. Hopefully this. Okay.
Can't see shit.
Really? I'll just use this ring spanner.
Let me get that.
Now don't do it too tight, you don't want to snap the bolt because they are alright though. Because there you go. That's it. Done. Now put this piece of shit back up because the water will leak if you don't put it up. Oh, does this need to go in there?
The what?
Does that?
Oh yeah, there's a little hole.
There you go. That's right.
Yeah, I think so.
It's a bit messy. Oh, that's right. Make sure this is real tight because you don't want water leaking in. And that is how you put your door handles back on.
And to take them off?
Do the opposite. And no, I'm joking. Done.
Alright, now can I stop it?
Yeah. Oh.